Hello everyone. In this tutorial I'm gonna explain very important website from where you can download PowerPoint templates, Word templates, Excel templates and many more things you can do with the help of this website. So website name is Microsoft Create. Go to this website and you can see from the description from this website you can download the free templates for social media, PowerPoint, Word template, resume templates, Excel template, and there are so many options available in this website. So let's explore this website. So this is the interface of the website, and here on the templates drop down you can see there are so many templates available. So let's click on PowerPoint templates, and you can see there are so many PowerPoint templates available. You can select any one. Let's say I'm gonna select this one. You can see the preview of the template from here, and then you can download this template and even you can directly customize it in the PowerPoint. And it also suggests you the more templates like this. You can click on the any template you want in your PowerPoint presentation, and then you can customize that and you can download that template. Let's see another templates. You can also see the Excel templates here. So you can see there are so many Excel templates which are available in this website. You can see the personally monthly budget template, library book checkout sheet template, monthly budget template. There are so many Excel templates also available in this website. Similarly, you can download and you can customize it in the Excel. So there are so many options available. Even you can explore the Word template, and there is Microsoft Designer with the help of which you can design various brochures, flyers, etc. Very attractive templates are here. You can customize anyone. So you must try this once, and even you can explore the forms of option which is available. So you can create a feature packed form with the help of templates. So you can see if you want to conduct a survey or sign up page or expectation survey, there are so many forms which are available. You can customize it in the forms. So try this website. I hope you will learn a lot from this website. That's all. Thank you for watching.